Here's the question I got asked. How do I reverse an email? I'm going to explain what I think this person is talking about. I'm going to show you how you can do this. It's not called reverse, but I'm going to explain it and show you how to do it. Bottom line is, in Gmail, when you go to compose a message, and I'm going to send a message to Teddy Burris at gmail.com right now. Remember, I'm at burrisconsulting@gmail.com. I'm going to do test, and I'm going to put a message in here, and I'm going to hit send. Look here to the left. Message sent. Undo. Right there, I get 5 seconds. It's going to go away in pretty quick order. 5 seconds, and the message has been sent. Gone. Now, I can't recover it. If I go to sent, there's the message I just sent right there. There's no option to bring this back. I can delete it on my side, report it as spam on my side, et cetera, download, translate, mark as unread. I can do all that on my side, but I can't unsend it. So how do I get the opportunity to unsend? Let me show you. If I go to the sprocket, if I see all settings, under see all settings, under send, undo send, I have the ability to send the send cancellation period. By default is 5, but it can be 10, 20, or 30 seconds. So I make it 20 seconds. What that means, what the system is really doing is when you hit send, the system's going to wait 20 seconds before it actually sends it. Even the system's going to wait 20 seconds before it goes into your sent items. As long as you stay where you're at. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to hit save. It comes back to my email. I'm going to hit compose. I'm going to send another email to Teddy. I'm going to go to Teddy Burris at Score Volunteer. Test number 2. Remember, I had that number 2. I'm going to hit send. Look here. It'll sit here for 20 seconds. System is going to wait. But as long as I stay right here, it will wait, and it will not be sent, and I have the ability to hit undo send. And it comes right back here as a draft for me to do whatever I want to do. I can say number 4, and then I can hit send, and look over here to the left. I have the undo button here, except if I move from this screen, then it's going to immediately be sent. Right there it is. Test number 4 has been sent because I did not stay where I was with that message popped up at the bottom. It's important to remember that. Again, if you move off the screen you're on, it immediately gets sent. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.